So now we have to remove this text above the your account heading, which is set by default WooCommerce account. To remove this again, we cannot add a CSS class for this, because this this text has said in the HTML as paragraphs, but it does not have any associated class name. So if we set this property to display none, then it will remove all the paragraph that are present in the website. So therefore we cannot add the CSS property for this one to remove the p tag. P tag means the paragraph from the WordPress dashboard account. For this we have to follow a different method. To remove these texts in your WordPress dashboard, proceed to the plugin section and then navigate to the plugin editor. In here, select the plugin you want to edit, select WooCommerce and click select. After the page is reloaded, in the right sidebar, go to templates. And then find my account in here. Click on the dashboard.php file. In this file, remove this top content and save the changes. It's crucial to note that directly editing plugin files is not considered a recommended practice. When you modify plugin files directly, any updates to the plugins may override your changes, causing potential issues and loss of customizations. In this video, I am demonstrating the process of editing plugin files for immediate changes. But it's essential to stay tuned for the next video, where I'll guide you through a more robust and sustainable approach to make modifications without risking your custom content being replaced during plugin updates. So we'll explore methods that involve creating a child theme to ensure your changes persist across updates, maintaining a stable and adaptable website. So when you go back to the My Account page and refresh the page, you can see that all the texts are removed from the dashboard content area. I will add some more styles to make it much better. Now that you successfully redesigned our WooCommerce dashboard, and you will notice the complete difference when you navigate through the various links. The newly crafted dashboard content is exclusively visible within the dashboard itself and doesn't spill over into other sections like the orders page, account details page, or any other My Account page. This method ensures that your customizations are precisely targeted, offering a tailored user experience. If you still see any text on the My Account page, use the plugin editor to simply remove it. It's important to note that modifying plugin files directly is a quick fix, but not the recommended approach for long-term stability. In our upcoming videos, I will walk you through a more sustainable method, guiding you on how to make edits without editing the plugin files directly. So stay tuned for valuable insight into creating a robust and adaptable WooCommerce environment. So I trust you found this tutorial insightful, and I look forward to guiding you through enhancing other My Account pages in our upcoming tutorial series. Until the next video, happy editing and goodbye everyone.